Okay, we're in the beautiful Skyhouse in Frisco. This is such a gorgeous high rise. Hey, let's walk into the one bedroom model. And I want you to notice too, this is keyless. So we're gonna walk in. I think you're gonna love it. I previewed it already. Looks beautiful. Isn't this really, really pretty? So sleek, so modern. Love it. So we walk in and beautiful countertops. This is a quartz, white quartz, so pretty. Look at that unusual backsplash in there. It's like a honeycomb, and it's kind of different colors too, kind of different textures, and some of it's kind of shiny, some of it's more flat. So cute. So gorgeous kitchen in here. Very light, kind of a honey cabinet color in there. That's so beautiful. These appliances are all new and they're really pretty, of course. And then you got a good amount of space to work with in here too. So really, really nice. Of course, you got the new Whirlpool dishwasher. It's all touch, super easy to use. Look at this beautiful, huge sink. That's just gorgeous with the pull down gooseneck faucet. And then plenty of space. You can put 4 spaces in there. You don't need a table. You really don't. Now let's look at the apartment. So the apartment looks like we've got, that's the water closet and things like that. And then in here, we've got a washer and dryer all ready to go. So you're all set. And then let's look at this. Let's look at this really gorgeous living room. So this wall is huge. You've got a lot of space to work with over here. That's a I would say a medium-sized couch. You could actually have a lot more, even a sectional in here if you wanted to. You've got a lot of wall space. And I'd say this is about, I don't know, it feels 9 or 10 feet tall. I'd say maybe 10 feet. And you've got a good space over here for a dresser, buffet. I guess a dresser that would be over here with your TV. So got a good amount of wall space. And this feels really, there's a lot of space to put chairs, and you've got great stuff to work with. So when you have a nice party over here, you really can have a good amount of people. Look at this. So this is floor-to-ceiling windows. Very, very nice. It's about time. We need this in Frisco. We need a luxury high-rise, and this is what this is. So let's go look on the balcony. Oh, wow. This is great. So we're on the 10th floor, by the way, with this location, and it's just an awesome location. We've got some great views here of Frisco and of Plano. Plano would be actually, I guess, this direction. So great views, and 10th floor, and it goes a lot higher than 10. This is awesome. So let's go inside, and now let's look in the bedroom. So in the bedroom is very sleek as well. Nice carpet that's in there, and then again, those floor-to-ceiling windows. You're gonna have plenty of light, and I like the roller shades that you have there too. So when you need it, you can have light, but when you need more privacy, you can just pull those down and have just block out the sun and the light. This has a little bit of a loft feel too, because the ceilings are concrete. So great feel in here. Really nice. This gives there's a good amount of space that's over here. They have a shelf just to display some art and books and stuff, but you also can put in there a nice sized dresser. You can put a TV on there, and then there's a closet that's over there. And this is I would say, I don't know, a queen in here. I would say probably a queen. And then you've got the space over there for lamps. Okay, we walk in, and let's see what this looks like in here. So really nice. It feels very elegant. Very nice quartz over here. This feels great. It's very luxurious feeling in here. We've got that beautiful walk-in shower in there, so that's gorgeous. So this is a great space. This just feels great. So I'm in the bathroom. I'm sitting right in front of the shower. This is my view. This is just amazing. I absolutely love this. This is great. So I'm going to walk back in. I want you to see it, and it's just so elegant, so pretty. So you'd have a great. This is a really cute, luxurious one bedroom. Really easy to manage and fun. And so this is just the final view from the kitchen, just so you'd see it. Just feels awesome. The floor to ceiling windows really pop and make this whole space pop. Absolutely love it.